So, Glenn, what are you buying today?
Budgie bar.
A Budgie bar. Yeah. And the Budgie bar eating commences. Wait, we'll show the camera what it is. Show the camera. See that Budgie bar?
Wait till that's all out.
What are they getting? Oh, fuck it. Can't believe you're gonna eat a Budgie bar.
I need to get on a level round here.
Cheap snacks, that's how it is.
That's me.
He's got the Budgie. He's got a Budgie bar.
Motherfucker, it smells like sawdust.
Go on, do it.
Just because it smells like sawdust. That's fucking disgusting.
You gotta eat it all.
Paid for that, you gotta eat it.
Oh, you gotta have at least half.
Give the rest of your budget.
Oh shit. He's actually dying off a Budgie bar. He took another bite. Oh no, it's too much, it's too much.
No.
What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
What are you laughing at?
I'm not laughing at anything.
Are you telling dirty jokes?
No.
Can I have one? You?
Have a good day. I got that on camera. you telling dirty jokes? Are you telling dirty jokes? Are you telling dirty jokes? Don't spit it out.
I think he's gonna be sick.
He's gonna be sick of it.
I'm done, man.
Wait, let me see this Budgie bar, let me see it. Look at that is just pure Budgie.
What does it taste like?
Straight from Wilkinson. That's a Budgie. No, I'm good.
It's truly disgusting.
Oh, look at that.
That's my stick with it too.
Wasn't it nice? Ratings out of 10 on taste. Oh.
It tastes quite nice. No, it does taste nice. It's just weirdly make me heat. It tastes like peanuts. But it's making me heat for some reason.
Take a little bite this time, not a big one.
I'll have some more in a minute.
Go back to college just to watch you do this.
I'll do it in college.
Like that old woman was weird, man. You telling dirty jokes? I didn't know what to say.
Your little like seedy things.
Oi, please eat that in lesson, man.
Just get it out.
Nibble on it.
Nibble. Do you want to record me doing it in lesson?
If we go, should we go back to kegs?
let's do
Yeah,
that.
fucking talk about.